Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jobs for Hire. This is HRM Class 3. We are gonna to learn today recruitment and selection. Recruitment means the attracting and inviting the candidates to apply for job. The goal is to create a candidate pool. Sources of recruitment. There are two types of recruitment: internal recruitment and external recruitment. Internal recruitment means hiring within the organization, for example, promotions, transfers. External recruitment means hiring outside from the organization, which means job portals, campus placements, or consultants. Let's see the next one: selection. Selection means to choose the right candidate for the job. For example, the goal is to be the best fit for the job, right? So, next, see this difference between recruitment and selection. So, here it is the recruitment, here selection. In recruitment, it has large number of applicants. In selection, only best candidate will be chosen for the job. So, it has less cost and less time. So, selection takes more cost and more time. This is a positive response and this is negative one. So here it encourages more candidates to apply for job, but here in the selection it eliminates unsuitable candidates. There are few steps will be taken in the selection process. Let's start. Steps in selection process. The first one, application screening, and the next one, written test or aptitude test, and third one, technical or HR interview, fourth one, background verification, fifth one, job offer or appointment letter. Now let's see the real time HR example. For suppose a company needs 3 HR recruiters, so there will be two stages: recruitment stage and selection stage. In recruitment stage, the company do post jobs on Naukri, LinkedIn, Fresher World, so etc. So next they announces job openings. So finally they receives 50 resumes. So this process is called recruitment process. So here they create a candidate pool to eligible for job. So next stage is selection stage. So here within from these 50 resumes they shortlist 10 candidates and then they conduct interviews. So finally they select the 3 best HRs, which means here they need, the company needs 3 HR recruiters, right? So finally they get it 3 best HRs. So this process is called selection process. So finally they get the right candidate for the job. So today class is completed. So we will see you in the next class for training and development. If useful for you, please do like, share, subscribe for Jobs for Hire.